Walking down the poultry aisle, does it ever feel like you need a science degree to understand what you're actually buying? Organic, free-range, air-chilled, natural, these labels are everywhere. But here's the scary truth, most of them are marketing tricks designed to make you pay more, without actually giving you a healthier product. In this video, I'm going to be your guide. I'll reveal the only 3 labels that actually matter for your health, show you how to spot the healthiest chicken in under 10 seconds, and save you money by avoiding the overpriced options that aren't any better. Let's decode the poultry aisle together.
Let's start with the most misleading term of all, natural. You see this everywhere, right? It sounds healthy. But here's the truth. In most countries, the natural label is virtually meaningless when it comes to animal welfare or health benefits. All fresh chicken is natural by definition. This label doesn't tell you anything about how the chicken was raised, what it was fed, or whether it received antibiotics. It's a marketing trap. So, step 1. Stop paying extra for natural. Now, let's rank the labels that actually mean something. Think of this as a tier list for your health. Tier 3 is your conventional chicken with no special labels. This is what most people buy. There's nothing illegal about it, but it often comes from crowded farms where antibiotics are used routinely to prevent disease. If this is your only option, it's fine, but if you can afford to upgrade, your body will thank you. Tier 2 is where we start making smarter choices. The most important label here is no antibiotics ever or raised without antibiotics. This is crucial because overuse of antibiotics in farming contributes to the rise of superbugs, antibiotic-resistant bacteria that are a major global health threat. Choosing no antibiotics is a win for your personal health and public health.
Now, you'll also see hormone-free. This is good, but it's also a bit of a gimmick. In many places, like the US and EU, hormones are already banned in poultry production. So, while it's true, it's not a special feature, it's the standard. But it doesn't hurt to see it.
Tier 1 is the gold standard for health and quality. If your budget allows, this is what you should look for. First, organic. Organic certification is strict. It means the chickens were fed 100% organic feed, had access to the outdoors, and were never given antibiotics or hormones. This is a holistic standard for the animal's life, and it results in a cleaner, more nutritious product for you. Second, air-chilled. This is a game changer for quality. Most chickens are chilled in cold water baths after processing, which can cause them to absorb water. That means you're paying for water weight. Air-chilled chickens are cooled with cold air. They don't absorb extra water, so you get more meat for your money, better texture, and more concentrated flavor. Third, pasture-raised. This is the pinnacle. Pasture-raised means the birds spend most of their lives on pasture, with plenty of space to roam and eat a natural diet. This often leads to a superior nutritional profile, like higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids. It's the best choice for animal welfare and nutrition.
Okay, that was a lot of information. Let's simplify it into an easy 3-step checklist you can use on your next grocery trip. Step 1. Look for no antibiotics ever. This is your foundation. If you remember nothing else, remember this. It's the single most important upgrade for your health. Step 2. If your budget allows, upgrade to organic. This ensures better feed and living conditions for the animal, taking your choice to the next level. Step 3. This is a bonus. If you see it, choose air-chilled. You'll get better taste, better texture, and you're not paying for added water. It's a sign of a higher quality product. That's it. Just 3 simple steps to transform how you buy chicken.
So, let's do a quick recap because this is powerful stuff. Forget the confusing labels and just remember this simple system. Walking down the poultry aisle doesn't have to be confusing anymore. You are now equipped with the knowledge to make the healthiest choice for you and your family. If this guide took the stress out of grocery shopping and you want to easily decode the truth about your food, then I help you with this every week. Hit that subscribe button right now and tap the bell icon so you don't miss my next video. I'm here to make your journey to healthier eating simple and shock-free.
Now I have a very important question for you. This is how I decide what to make next. What's the most confusing food in your supermarket? Is it beef, eggs, milk, or maybe something like olive oil? Let me know in the comments below. Your suggestion might just be the topic of my next video. Thanks for watching. For more truths about your food, watch this video next. See you in the next one. Have a nice day and take good care of your health. Stay blessed. Goodbye.